Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. I got this 2005 Chrysler 300 here. What I'm getting ready to do is to replace the PCV valve, okay? Now, like any part, that's a change interval for just about every part on the car, okay? And that also applies to the PCV valve, okay? Now, I recommend doing these just about every time you screw spark plugs in. These are not expensive at all. In fact, they're inexpensive, okay? Y'all see that? Now, on this 5.7 Hemi, it is a little tricky, okay? Not really tricky, fairly easy, but I'm gonna go through the installation process or the change process with you right now. So, man, don't waste time. Let's get right to it. Okay, this PCV valve, like I say, let me get some light. This PCV valve is right here, okay? And we all know what a PCV valve do, okay? Bring up crankcase vapors. You want to route them back into the intake system at a predetermined time. All right, so just grab your pair of channel lock pliers. All we're gonna do is just turn counterclockwise, okay? And simply, if it's easy enough, I don't think this one ever been replaced. Just simply pull it out. Okay, there you go. There you have it. This is the old PCV valve, okay? What we want to do, man, just take a look down there, try to clean out some of that trash, and grab your rag and clean out some of that trash, and grab your new one. Now, I didn't really display the name of this part. I just know it's a new part, so hopefully some sponsors will put their PCV valves down at the bottom. And if you need one, you just simply click those sponsors PCV valve and get you one coming. Because like I say, I think you should do them basically every tune-up. If you're doing a tune-up every 60,000 miles, that is great, okay? I really don't believe in the 100,000 mile spark plug. I think you're doing yourself a disservice by waiting that long. Go ahead and get your tune-up spark plugs done. You know, me personally, my opinion is right around 60,000 miles, okay? Now I'm gonna put some lube on this O-ring just so it'll seal real good, and this O-ring right here, and then reinstall this, and that would be it, man. That's the installation. Nothing to it. Just once I get some lube on, just put a little oil around the O-ring, set it in there, and turn it. That would be the installation process to your new PCV valve. Okay, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.